Hello students, good afternoon. How are you? I hope you all are fine at home and also studying at home. Again I am here, your maths teacher for the online classes of Gokuldas Public School, Khargone. Okay, and already we have completed our fourth chapter, that is addition and subtraction up to number 10, and we are doing revision time. And in that revision time also so many questions we have solved. Open page number 71. Open page number 71 in your maths book. Page 71. Revision time. In revision time, all the questions that are given we have solved earlier. Okay. So, question 1, question 2, question 3 already we have solved. So, today we are going to solve question 5, 6, 4, 5 and 6. Today we are going to complete this revision time exercise. Okay. So, all of you open your notebooks also. We are going to write in notebook, classwork copy. So, open your maths notebook, your pencil, your eraser, sharp your pencil. Take your scale also, because the last question is subtraction on the number line. So, for drawing the number line we use scale. So, you take out scale also and take the new page or continue after the question number 3. Continue writing question number 4, but you write date also. What is the date today? You write date also. Okay. Write date. Write date. Written. Now write question 4. Question 3 already we have done. Now write question 4. Add, subtract. Question 3, in our previous lecture we have done question 3, add, subtract horizontally. In that question we have done addition and subtraction both, and the question is given horizontally, that means in this form. Okay. So, this is known as horizontal, and if question is written in this form, this is known as vertically. Okay. So, in this question number 4, addition and subtraction questions are given vertically. Okay. So, no difference. Solving method is same for both. Okay. So, question number 4, write add a double D, add, subtract SUBTRACT, add, subtract vertically, VERTICALLY, add, subtract vertically, add, subtract vertically. Copy the question fast and copy correct from the board. Correct, copy correct spellings, correct numbers. Add, subtract vertically. Now copy the first question. 4 minus 3. What is the symbol given here? What is the sign given here? Here is the sign of minus. What is the sign? Minus, subtraction symbol. And we read the subtraction symbol as minus. So, how do we read this question? Read with me. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. That means you have to subtract 3 from 4. So, all the students take out 4 fingers. Take out 4 fingers. Okay, now the next number is 3. So, close 3 fingers. 3 fingers close. Now count the remaining fingers. कितनी fingers बची है? Count करेंगे. The finger remaining is only 1. So, write here 1. Copy it. 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. Copy fast. Next question B. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. Here is the sign of addition and we read the sign of addition as plus. So how do we read the question? 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. So add, first take out 2 fingers, all of you take out 2 fingers. Now the next number is 3, so take out 3 more fingers. So 2 fingers and 3 fingers. Count all the fingers. 2 plus 3 will be 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. Copy it fast. Next question C. 5 minus 3. Copy the question. 5 minus 3. The symbol of subtraction is given and we read the symbol of subtraction as minus. So read the question. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. So take out 5 fingers. Take out 5 fingers. Now close 3 fingers. Close 3 fingers. How many finger remains? Only 2. So 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. Copy it fast. Next question D. 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. Here given the sign of addition, that is plus. So read the question. 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. So first take out 1 finger. Take out 1 finger. Now take 3 more fingers. 1 finger, then 3 more fingers. So how many fingers total? Count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. Copy it. Now the last is E. Question given. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3. This is again addition question. Addition question and we read the addition sign as plus. Now read the question. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3. So take out 3 fingers. Take out 3 fingers. Now take 3 more fingers. Take 3 more fingers. Now count all the fingers. 3 plus 3. Count all the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So total fingers are 6. So 3 plus 3 is 6. Write fast. read the question with me from A. 4 minus 3 is 1. Read again. 4 minus 3 is 1. 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. Repeat. 5 minus 3 is 2. Next, 1 plus 3 is 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. Last E. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay. I hope all of you have written. If not, you pause the video and see, or you can take the screenshot also. Okay. Now write the next question, fill in the blanks and add. You have to add and you have to do the fill in the blanks. Okay. So write question 5. Question 5. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks and add. Copy the question fast. Fill in the blanks and add. Fill in the blanks and add. So only two questions are given. So first we are going to solve only the two questions that are given in the book. Then I will give you two more extra question. Okay. So first I am writing both the question, A and B. 4 plus 5 is equals to 5 plus dash is equals to dash. The second question, B part. 3 plus 2 is equals to 2 plus dash is equals to dash. Okay, so first you also copy both the question from the board, then we will do the solution. These two questions, the fill in the blanks that is given is based on the addition facts that I have explained you, or addition property also we can say, addition property or addition fact or addition rule. Okay, so the first is 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 equals to 5 plus. Then what number will come here in the place of fill in the blank? I told you, I have explained you before also, addition fact, that if we change the order of a number in addition, if we change the order of a number, or we can say if we can change the position, the place of a number, then there is no change in the result. Okay, so here what is the number given? 4 plus 5, and here only 5 is given. So 5 is given. What is the next number? 4. So here we will write 4. So 4 plus 5 or 5 plus 4. Addition of 5 plus 4 and 4 plus 5 will be, add 4 plus 5 using a finger. Add 4 and 5. What will be the answer of 4 plus 5 or 5 plus 4? Same, 9. So right here 9. Right here 9. Now the next question, 3 plus 2. So 2 plus which number come here? 3. 3 plus 2, 2 plus 3, and the sum of 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2 will be same 5. Okay. So I am giving you 2 more question. You do yourself. Do yourself these 2 questions. Question C and D, do yourself, solve just now, fill in the blanks. 5 plus 3 is equals to 3 plus dash is equals to dash, and question D is 6 plus 4 is equals to 4 plus dash is equals to dash. Try this question C and D, try to solve both the question. Now check your answer. 5 plus 3 is equals to 3 plus 5, and 3 plus 5 will be 8. I hope all of you have done it correct. Now check your answer. Last question. 6 plus 4 is 4 plus 6, and the sum of 4 plus 6 is 10. Okay. I hope all of you have done it correctly. So those who have not done, copy from the board fast. Now the last question, subtract on the number line. So in this question also only one question is given. So we will solve some extra questions also. First write the question. Question 6. Subtract on the number line. S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T. Subtract on the number line. N-U-M-B-E-R number. L-I-N-E line. Copy the question fast. Subtract on the number line. first question is 6 minus 4 is equals to. Now draw the number line starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now what is the first step? What is the question? Read the question. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4. So we have to jump from 0 to the first given number, and the first number is 6. So from 0 jump to number 6. Okay? Jump to number 6. Now what is the next number? 4. So in subtraction we move one step back direction, in the backward direction. So how many steps we have to move? 4 steps. So move 4 steps back. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Which number we stop? We stop at number 2. So answer is 2. So 6 minus 4 is 2. Copy fast. Now try to solve this question yourself. B. 8 minus 3 is equals to. I am drawing the number line also. You solve it yourself. 0, 1, 2. First copy the question number A and then try to solve question number B. First read the question. What is the question given? 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3. Now check your answer. First we have to jump from 0 to directly 8. So jump to 8. Now you have to move one step in backward direction. Backward. Okay, so how many steps you have to move? 3 steps. So move 3 steps. 1, 2 and 3. At which number we stop? We stop at number 5. So the answer is 5. 8 minus 3 is 5. Copy it fast. Note down the homework. Homework is you have to write and learn table of 6 and 7. Okay, you have to write and learn also. Okay, you have to write one time and learn the table of 6 and 7. This is your homework. Okay, so today we have completed our revision time exercise here, and only one topic remain of this chapter, that is worksheet. So we will do this worksheet part in our next lecture. Okay, so for today this is sufficient. We will continue in our next lecture. Bye students, have a nice day.